students, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. In today's class, we are going to learn the concept of complementary events in probability. Okay, so complementary event is the opposite of an event. For example, if I am clearing an exam is the event means, then its complement is not clearing the exam. If I am throwing a dice and getting an even number, is an event means, then its complement is getting an odd number. So a complement means opposite of an event. So there is a relation between the event and its complement. Let us denote the event as E and its complement as E dash. So two events E and E dash are said to be complementary events if probability of E plus probability of E dash equal to 1. That is, here probability of happening that event plus probability of not happening that event equal to 1. This is what a relation between the probability of an event and probability of not happening that event. Okay, so relationship is P of E plus P of E dash equal to 1. When you add these two, you will get 1. Next, we will see this concept with an example. The probability that it will rain tomorrow is 91 by 100. We have to find the probability that it will not rain tomorrow. Okay, so let E be the event of raining tomorrow. And E dash be its complement. That is, E dash be the event of not raining tomorrow. Not raining tomorrow. So, probability of E, they have given probability value itself. So, probability of that event is 91 by 100. Probability of E is 91 by 100. We have to find the probability of E dash. Probability of that it will not rain tomorrow. So, we have to find the probability of E dash. We know the relation probability of E plus probability of E dash equal to 1. So, probability of E dash equal to 1 minus probability of E. 1 minus, what is the probability of E? 91 by 100. So, 91 by 100. 1 minus 91 by 100 can be written as 0.91. When you subtract these two, you will get 0.09. So, probability of E dash, that is probability of not raining tomorrow is 0.09. This is what the complementary event. So, an event means that is a subset of a sample space, and complementary event means opposite of that event. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.